In this video, I want us to know how can you evaluate the integral of x ln x. Yeah, how can you integrate such? Now, if you find such an integral, don't panic, but remember one thing, that if it is a mixture of this, for example, this one can't go for change of variable. All techniques of integration apart from one, they can't go for it. Here we use what we call integration by parts. Integration by parts gives us what we call the islet. Islet is a synonym that helps us to integrate by parts when we are to simplify integrating by parts. For example, integration by parts tells us that if you have the integral of u dv dx is actually uv minus the integral of v du dx, then dx. Now, this is what we call integration by parts. Now, the islet helps us to let which one is u and then which one is dv dx in the integral given. Now, in this case, we have what we call algebraic. X is algebraic, and then ln x is logarithmic. So, we ask ourselves, logarithmic and algebraic, which one comes first? We realize that logarithmic comes first, and that is what we let as u. So, we come and say, our u is going to be logarithmic ln x. Ln x is a logarithm, that is logarithm base e. And then, if we have u, then dv dx is now the algebraic x. So we go ahead to differentiate. So du dx is actually equal to 1 out of x. Why do we differentiate? Because in our substitution we need du dx. And also, why do we integrate? We integrate because in our expression we shall need v. So when you integrate this, our v ends up becoming x squared out of 2. Now, putting them back, our integral of x ln x dx will now be, our u is ln x, and then our v is x squared out of 2. So we can have x squared out of 2 ln x, then minus the integral. Now we are substituting in, our v is x squared out of 2, then our du dx is 1 out of x times dx. So rewriting it better, we have x squared out of 2 ln x minus 1 out of 2. One of the x's go, so we remain with 1 out of 2 integral of x dx. Now when we integrate, we shall have x squared out of 2 ln x minus, this is the same as a half into x squared out of 2 when we have integrated, plus c. Now simplifying this, we can have it as x squared out of 2 ln of x minus 1 out of 4 x squared plus a c, and this is the integral of x ln x dx. Now you can go ahead to simplify this. Yeah, if you're still with me up to this level and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and liking this video. You can share it with your friends such that we can learn. Now, simplifying this further, we can have finally that our integral of x ln x dx is actually equal to x out of 2 ln of x minus 1 out of 4 x squared plus c. Now simplifying this, we shall have, pulling out x squared out of 4, we end up having 2 ln x minus 1 plus c. Now your trial question. Integrate ln x dx. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We meet in the next. Drop your answer in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, ask anything that you haven't understood. I'll be able to clarify. Thank you. We meet in the next.